Good afternoon, all of you. Today we will see the remaining part of the disaccharides. Oligosaccharide. Oligosaccharides. The monosaccharide, disaccharide, and oligosaccharide. In the oligosaccharide, these carbohydrate yield contain 3 to 10 monosaccharide units on the hydrolysis. Oligosaccharides, this carbohydrate yield 3 to 10 monosaccharide unit on the hydrolysis. Example: maltodextrose, raffinose. It's an example of oligosaccharide. में क्या है, उसमें monosaccharide molecules is the 3 to 10 monosaccharide molecules is present on the hydrolysis, and then the example is maltodextrose and the raffinose. Next part is so important: polysaccharides. It's a non-sugar part. Poly means many, infinity. Saccharide, sugar, it's a non-sugar. Saccharide is sugar, but basically is having the more than 10 monosaccharide molecules, same or the different on the, it gives after hydrolysis same or different. Now this carbohydrate, these carbohydrate yield or it contain more than 10 molecule of monosaccharide on hydrolysis. The polysaccharide are the carbohydrate contain more than 10 molecule of monosaccharide on hydrolysis. The general formula C6H10O5 raised to N. It's a general formula. The polysaccharide, again, it can classify into two types. Polysaccharide it can classify into two types. The homopolysaccharide and heteropolysaccharides. They are the two type of polysaccharide: homopolysaccharide and the hetero. Homo means it's a same molecule. After hydrolysis it give the same molecule. Hetero, it's a different. different molecules. It contains the polysaccharide, the different molecule of the polysaccharide. It contains the same molecule of polysaccharide. That is, a homo is the same, hetero is different. Now see the definition of homopolysaccharide. Homopolysaccharides which on hydrolysis yield only a single type of monosaccharide. Polysaccharide, it can classify the two types. Homopolysaccharide, these are the carbohydrate which hydrolysis is give the same molecule. After hydrolysis give the same molecule of monosaccharide or single type of monosaccharides. Thus glucans are polymer of glucose, whereas the fructosazones are the polymer of fructose. Example: starch, glycogen, cellulose. It give the example: starch, glycogen, cellulose. Homopolysaccharide after hydrolysis, which homopolysaccharides, these are the carbohydrates which on hydrolysis it gives same molecule of monosaccharide or single type of monosaccharide. Thus the glucan are called the polymer of glucose, whereas fructosan are the polymer of fructose. Example: starch and glycogen. Now see the heteropolysaccharide. Hetero means different molecule of monosaccharide. After which on hydrolysis, the which on hydrolysis yield a mixture of few monosaccharide, or which one gives the different molecule of monosaccharide or their derivatives. Example: mucopolysaccharide, hyaluronic acids. These are the example of heteropolysaccharide. It is a mucopolysaccharide, halouronic acids. Another example is heparin. Heparin act as an anticoagulant. Okay. Now these are the example of heteropolysaccharides. Heteropolysaccharide, these are the carbohydrate which on hydrolysis give different molecule of monosaccharide और their derivative. एक हाइड्रोलिसिस होने के बाद वो डिफरेंट मोनोसैकेराइड देंगे और मिक्सचर ऑफ मोनोसैकेराइड्स. They are maybe disaccharide, they are maybe the monosaccharide, different sucrose joined together. Yeah, different of monosaccharides. They can join together is a or its derivative. Example, mucopolysaccharide, halouronic acid and the heparin. Now you can discuss now the starch. Now see the starch. Give the heading is most important. So many time is asked is examination. Starch. Now what is a starch? Starch is a homopolysaccharide. What is starch? Starch is homopolysaccharide. Now starch contain the homopolysaccharide. After hydrolysis give the what is homopolysaccharide? Which on hydrolysis give the same molecule of monosaccharides. More than 10 molecules is a infinity. Is a poly means many. Now starch is homopolysaccharide. Starch it is composed of D-glucose unit held together by alpha glycosidic bond. Now earlier I told you starch is a homopolysaccharide. It is composed of made by which monosaccharide? Starch is made up of homopolysaccharide. After hydrolysis, which on hydrolysis give the same monosaccharide. Which monosaccharide here D-glucose monosaccharide unit. They join together by which alpha glycoside linkages. Okay. The starch consists of now the starch consists of two polysaccharide compound. Starch consists of two polysaccharide compound which are कौन से water soluble amylose. It should be present 15 to 20%. Okay. Starch, what is starch? Starch is a tasteless. What is property of starch? Tasteless, insoluble in the water. In the cold water, but it is soluble in the hot water, generally used for the paste. Now starch, it contains a water soluble molecule. How much? Starch consists of two polysaccharide molecules. The compound of water soluble compound, name of that compound is amylase, is having how much percent? 15 to 20%. And water insoluble compound is amylopeptine, 80 to 85%, 80 to 85%. Now what is the starch? Starch is having the two compounds, is amylose and the amylopeptine. Amylose is water soluble 15 to 20%, and the water insoluble, that is amylopeptine, is 80 to 85. That's why the starch is insoluble in the water. Okay, now see the starch. Starch is homopolysaccharide. It is composed of, after hydrolysis of which monosaccharide? कौन सा मोनोसैकेराइड है? द डी ग्लूकोज यूनिट मोनोसैकेराइड, हेल्ड टुगेदर बाय अल्फा ग्लाइकोसाइड लिंकेज है. उसका हाइड्रोलिसिस होने के बाद सेम मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ मोनोसैकेराइड, तो कौन सा है? डी ग्लूकोज यूनिट, हेल्ड टुगेदर बाय अल्फा ग्लाइकोसाइडिक लिंकेजेस. स्टार्च कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू पॉलीसैकेराइड कंपाउंड. व्हाट, कौन से? विच आर कंपाउंड? एक ये वाटर सोल्यूबल कंपाउंड, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज amylase. It's having the 15 to 20%. Another compound, water insoluble, that name of that compound amylopeptine, is having the 80 to 85%. Okay, chemically, now see that the composition of starch, and starch consists two molecules. Now see the chemically that compound. Chemically, amylose, the amylose is long unbranched chain. That is a property. Amylose क्या है? It's a long unbranched chain, लंबी चेन है. With कितने मोनोसैकेराइड उसमें? With 200 से 2000, 200 to 1000 डी ग्लूकोज यूनिट. held together by alpha 1,4 glycosidic bond or linkage. Okay, now amylose is a long unbranched, and it's a straight structure. It don't have the branch, that's why it's called the unbranched chain with how many monosaccharide molecule? 200 से 200 to 1000 डी ग्लूकोज यूनिट. देन दे जॉइन टुगेदर, एक साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए. विच बॉन्ड इज देयर? अल्फा 1,4. पहले वाले का 1 आएगा, दूसरे वाले का 4. दैट लिंकेज जॉइन टुगेदर एंड इज कॉल्ड एज द glycosidic linkage. Now see the structure of amylose. Now it is not possible draw the 2000, but like in this manner, make a bracket, एक bracket बनाओ. In that bracket you can draw the structure of glucose, maltose निकालते, same structure you have to draw here. That number is 1. Alpha linkage, that's why it joined the same. Alpha joined the second glucose unit. Draw structure very properly. don't rewrite, it's a mistake, sorry. Again it can join 1,4 alpha. Draw the structure first, that is long change of monosaccharide you have to draw first, then give the numbers, bonding, hydroxy group, all these things. So you can draw these like that. Always ask in the annual examination. Annual practical question is most important. Yeah, then bracket close, that is a number of time. बोल नहीं सकते अभी. You can draw the structure. Now here CH2OH H. Now here OH H, give the hydroxy group. Same manner you have to draw. OH H, OH H. Now here CH2OH, here H, CH2OH, here H, OH H, OH H, here is H, here is H. H is joining the bonds. Be careful about the structure. See very properly. You don't make silly mistake, you lose your marks otherwise. CH2OH, CH2 is OH H, OH H. Now this should be continue. Okay, now give the number, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. ये कार्बन का कौन सा नंबर है? 1. दिस नंबर गिव द 1 2 3 4 5 6. नाउ दैट्स वाई हियर इज द इसका 1. तो ये लिंकेज क्या है? लिंकेज शुड बी हैविंग द कौन सी? 1. 1 इसका लिंकेज है सेकंड का 4. दैट्स वाई द 1 4 1 4 टू विच लिंकेज? दैट डाउन द अल्फा, इसीलिए अल्फा 1 4 glycosidic linkage. Similarly here, that is linkage is called as alpha 1 4 glycosidic linkage. Same manner you have to give number 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's 1, that's a 4. That linkage is called as alpha 1 4 glycosidic linkage. Okay, now see, the structure is amylose. What is amylose? Amylose is a long unbranch, long change. Branch है कि इसमें? No branch. That's why called the unbranch. How many molecules? 200. Here is n. That is n is number of time of glucose unit. That is a same monosaccharide of the glucose unit. They join together by which? ये अल्फा डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन, यहाँ से join हुआ तो बीटा, यहाँ से डाउनवर्ड. That is alpha 1 4 glycosidic linkage, 1 4 glycosidic linkage, 1. They held together by 1 4 glycosidic. The structure is called it's a amylose structure. Okay, you understand? Now these are amylose structures. Now the next amylopeptine, the chemically. Abhi next is a amylopeptine. Amylopeptine is a branched structure. Amylopeptine is a branch, is having the branch chain with कहाँ पे रहती branch alpha 1,6 glycosidic bond at the branching. And alpha 1,4 linkage everywhere else, दोनों की तरफ है. It means it should be everywhere else. तो बाकी की जगह लिंकेज कैसा रहेगा, स्ट्रक्चर सीधा होगा तो क्या लिंकेज आएगा ऐसा 1,4 अल्फा ग्लाइकोसाइड बॉन्ड 1,4 आइको. और ब्रांच में क्या आएगा अल्फा 1,6 स्ट्रक्चर. अभी ये 6 स्ट्रक्चर को ब्रांच स्ट्रक्चर. व्हाट इज अमाइलो? इट इज अ ब्रांच चेंज. व्हाट इज अमाइलो? What is amylopeptine? Is a branch chain. What is amylose? It is unbranched. It is a long chain of monosaccharide. It contains 200 to 1,000 molecule of glucose D unit held together by 1,4 glycosidic bond. Now is amylopeptine is a branch. Branch कहाँ पे आएंगी? Alpha 1,6 branch at the branching. Branch कहाँ पे आएगी? Alpha 1,6 and 1,4 alpha linkage everywhere cells. बाकी जगह सेम ऐसा ही रहेगा. Amylopeptine molecule contain thousands of glucose unit. Amylopeptine molecule contain few thousands of glucose unit. Now his amylose is having the 200 to 1,000. Now here contain the few already. It's a branch structure. They are having the more than thousands, few thousands. Now how you can see the branch structure of amylopeptine. Now see the structure of branch amylopeptine. Now are you understand chemically? Amylopeptine is a branch. इसमें branch है. वो ब्रांच कहाँ पे? 1,6 ग्लाइकोसाइड बॉन्ड. ब्रांचिंग जहाँ पे वहाँ पे ये बॉन्डिंग है 1,6 अल्फा ग्लाइकोसाइड बॉन्ड. एंड एवरीवेयर सेल्स इज हैपन अल्फा 1,4. ओके, इट कंटेन few thousands. Now how to draw the structure of branch is amylopeptine. It's so important. You have to compare now. Afterwards I will show both structure. Then you can understand. Now first it's a branch structure. Now we can draw long chain of glucose monosaccharide. Okay, it's a everywhere else its bond should be 1,4. Okay, it's so important how the branch you can show. That is a linkage 1,4 1,4 1,4 everywhere cells. That linkage called long chain. 1,4 alpha 1,4 alpha 1,4 alpha 1 4 glycosidic unit, glycosidic unit, glycosidic unit. Okay, now here we for every well cell. Now is a branch structure. Now here CH2 क्या नंबर है इधर 6, is having O, is having H. Now here is a join the another glucose unit. You make a now put the hydroxy group H, that is alpha 1 4, alpha 1 4 glycosidic bond. Now the whole structure make a यहाँ से ब्रैकेट this, then fill OH H H OH H CH2OH, that is the 6th number, A 5 4. Okay, give the 1 2 3 4 5, you know the previously I told you. Similarly here is H OH OH H OH H OH H, that's a hydroxy group is the structure. CH2OH H CH2OH H hydroxy group, that OH H H. This structure is called as amylopyridine. It is a branch structure. Now see the branch structure. Number क्या है branch 1 6. अभी ये this should be the 1 or this should be the 6. This CH2OH CH2OH, they join together and that is a branching at where 1 6 alpha glycosidic bond, and the remaining glucose is 1 4 glycoside everywhere else of monosaccharide. What is amylopeptine? Amylopeptine is a branch structure linked by held together 1 4 6 glycosidic linkage at the branching 1 6 glycosidic bond. Okay, now see the both structure. Now this is the amylose is a long chain. Amylose is a long chain. ये long chain है. Join together 1 4 alpha glycoside linkage. Okay, what is amylopeptine? Amylopeptine is a branch structure. Is 1 6 alpha at the branching glycosidic bond, and everywhere is by 1,4 glycosidic bond, everywhere else is happen. That is a both structure of this amylopeptide and amylose. Now it's a structure of starch. Thank you.